Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 20 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Public transport in India plays a vital role in the daily lives of millions of people and serves as the backbone of the country's transportation system. With a population exceeding 1.4 billion, India depends heavily on various modes of public transportation to ensure mobility, economic growth, and social connectivity. The public transport network in India includes buses, trains, metro rail systems, auto rickshaws, taxi services, etc. Among these, the Indian Railways is one of the largest railway networks in the world, carrying millions of passengers every day across urban and rural regions. It provides an affordable and efficient means of travel for people from different economic backgrounds. Next para. In major cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Kolkata, metro rail systems have emerged as a modern and sustainable mode of transport, helping to reduce traffic congestion and pollution. Public buses operated both by government and private agencies are the most commonly used means of transport in towns and cities because they are economical and widely accessible. However, despite its importance, public transport in India faces several challenges. Overcrowding, inadequate infrastructure, poor maintenance, delays, and lack of connectivity often reduce the efficiency and comfort of these services. Rapid urbanization and the increasing number of private vehicles have also put immense pressure on existing transport systems, leading to severe traffic congestion and environmental concerns. To address these issues, the government has undertaken various initiatives such as expanding metro networks, introducing electric buses, and investing in sustainable urban mobility projects. Schemes like the Smart Cities Mission and the National Urban Transport Policy aim to improve the quality, accessibility, and reliability of public transport services across the country. Stop. Friends, keep practicing these shortcuts regularly and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Dear friends, this is not my channel, it's your channel, created to help you achieve your goals and improve your shorthand skills. Your one subscription encourages me to continue creating more useful shorthand dictation videos for you. Thank you for watching our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.